are in Birds Bazaar with Niamh, Orla and Helen, the O'Sullivan clan. What else would you like to go on now?
Playing football.
Yeah. And have Mommy and Daddy been very good to you, giving you lots of time off here?
Yeah.
Does Mommy still love Funfair?
Oh, Mommy's always loved Funfair. We'll never tire.
Never tire of it. Here we are, Dylan and Oisin in Birds Bazaar. What's your favourite ride so far, Dylan?
Bumpers.
And Oisin?
And the Walters.
And what other rides have you been on, lads?
Crazy Frog.
Crazy Frog and?
And the Bumpers.
How much money have you spent at Birds?
I know. I look.
I tell you, the reason they don't know is because Mummies and Daddies are paying for all the rides. That's the reason they don't know. Thanks very much. Five. Well done.
We're having a great puck fair here this year.